When studying the neurobiology of autism in mice, how do researchers know which mice are autistic? I don't know the answer, but holy fuck, I am cackling right now, Elmo. They actually mutated a gene in mice to give them autism. Because of this, they know which ones have it. They can also tell based on their behaviors. If the mice complain about the humming noise the computer monitors make, or being able to see the fluorescent lights flickering, it's an easy tell. Otherwise, you just have to wait for the mouse to turn 13 so it can get a Tumblr account, and you can see whether it prefers aesthetic or fandom blogging. I think it's more that some animals display traits that are similar enough that they can study their brains under that premise. But I am no scientist and prefer the train method. They listen carefully and find the mouse that's infodumping about their hyperfixations to all the other mice. They probably just checked Micah's who applied for engineering school. I will see myself out, no worry. I don't know the answer to this, but I've just had a flashback to a uni group presentation, wherein the questions at the end suddenly our head of microbiology asked how do they know when a rat has a migraine. I had a rat who was obviously special needs. She walked weird, always on her toes. She wouldn't eat anything apart from her rat pellets. Her sisters were busy fighting over treats of their foods and she just didn't care. She didn't like being out of her cage. She'd leap across the room if you weren't quick enough to grab her before she jumped. She also didn't like being touched. She'd let me handle her, but it wasn't like with the others. She would not let a stranger touch her at all. She was very attached to the dominant female, more so than her sisters. I took her to the vet's once. I had to explain she wasn't like other rats and he could not handle her. I had to hold her. I could not put her down. She's calm because I know how to handle her. I warned the vet if I put her down she would leap into the air and would run. He didn't believe me and made me put her on the table. She sits, he reaches for her and she pings. Vet is in shock and I just calmly reach behind me and grab her. I'm used to her antics. Mice can be autistic? The autistic mice make it their entire personality.